Hello guys, this is George. Welcome to George Basics. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to buy Shibnobi Coin on your Trustwallet, guys. This is step-by-step tutorial, and after you will finish watching this video, you will know how to buy this coin. So you can see the website of this coin, shibnobi.com. I will put the link in the description, and also you can see the coin market cap. This coin is trending, guys. It's booming, and today we have got nearly 30% growth, guys, and this is very huge. And one important thing, guys, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video has entertaining purpose, and it's just my opinion, guys. And you should remember that crypto is highly unregulated and there are some risks of losing your money. So before you decide to put your money into crypto, if you decide to put your money into Shibnobi, please do your own research and be careful, guys. So we can begin our video tutorial. You need to take your mobile phone and follow the instructions. First of all, you need to go to CoinMarketCap. Then you should click the search bar and type Shibnobi. Open Shibnobi's page, and then we need to copy the contract address. Scroll a little bit down and here's the contract address. You should double click this copy icon and it's copied, guys. Now you need to go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. After you will finish the verification process, then you can open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy Ethereum, because to buy Shibnobi Coin you need to swap your Ethereum, guys. And first of all, guys, let's buy Ethereum. Go to Ethereum, click buy, choose the amount and buy it on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Go back, click receive, copy this Ethereum's wallet address and send Ethereum from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet account, guys. And after you will have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, then you need to go to the apps, scroll a little bit down, and here's the Uniswap. Click it, click select the token, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago, and then here's the Shinja Coin, Shibnobi Coin. Then you should select it and click the settings, and here you should set the slippage tolerance to 12%, and also if you are trying to sell it, you should set 12%, guys. And that's all. You need to set the amount of Shinja Coin you want to buy and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all I wanted to tell you, guys. It's very simple, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. We need to reach 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible, guys. Thank you for watching. Click the like button and see you in the next video.